Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I have been reminded that I have to vacuum the floor. But hi. Today we're gonna do a photo shoot of a birthday party. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures, and I don't know I don't know how to explain this. So we're just gonna jump right into it, okay?
Three hours later.
Did you all like to get a picture? Yeah. All right, awesome. Let's see. All right. I'll sit this right here for a second. Let's see. Leg out or no?
The leg out is great. I'm just wondering if that thing's in the distractor, but that's a great place.
No,
to
you
sit.
should be fine.
Like,
I'd rather you be right there than anything else, honestly. Actually, oh yeah. All right. And one more. All right. Boom. There you go. Let's see.
I have to come in closer to her.
Yeah, so Brianna, you can come close a little bit, and you two are gonna scoot over. You're gonna scoot a little bit behind her. All right, and you can step a little forward right there, and you should be fine. Let's see. Oop, I gotta come back. All right, and I gotta compensate for the light, so let's drop it down a little bit.
Is the mat in the way?
Nope, I'm not. I don't even have the mat. This looks more like a royal photo anyway. I like it. I love it. All right. And this one's gonna have to be a little. This one's a little tricky, just because of the light, but we got it. All right. Yeah, you're gonna join in next. All right. Let's get this. There we go. All right, let's see. All right, back up. I'm so glad I moved that trash can earlier.
Good call. No, I'm not doing that. It's a heart.
Oh, come on. You got to now. There we go. All right, there we go. All right.
Lift your chin up a little. There you go.
So let's go. All right. All right. Why not?
Oh, I can hold your phone.
Hold on 1 second. I'm sorry. I have to make sure I save this picture that the boys just took. My bad. Okay, excuse me. My
Be careful with the phones.
falling off.
Oh, I can take that in your hand. As well.
Sorry, but Amy's next.
All right, yeah, go it. Bunch up. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go. Getting that. There we go.
Come on out, this is.
Get a little closer.
When do these pictures come back?
At the latest, maybe Monday, but most likely y'all get them tomorrow. Oh, all right. We're gonna do it like that. I like that, actually. All right.
All right, thank you.
No problem at all.
See you
She's not saying anything, but. Wow. And I missed that. Y'all are terrible. Let's see. All right. And one more. Okay.
Y'all, not to brag, but I used to be a model.
Used to be. What happened?
Yeah,
Many hours later.
Well, that was most certainly an event that happened, and I'm happy I was there to experience it. That was my second quince in years, like in a very long time. And luckily, I was able to prove this video's title right and make sure that the purpose of it was consistent. I shot a lot of portraits, and I was so happy for it. I've been on a bit of a portrait photography binge for the last 2 months, honestly, because of a client who was also my cousin. She wanted to get some professional headshots, and she was like, I want to do that, but then she was like, wait, I can just use the ones you already did. I'm like, I cry so bad. But you know, again, I proved myself right, and I was so happy that I was able to prove myself right. This was so fun, and I was so grateful to have been a part of the event and all that good stuff, because quinces are so important in Hispanic culture, and I just like being there, and it's all cool. But whatever, you know, all that good stuff. But so here are a couple of extra pieces that I've edited yesterday, because I spent all day editing photos and sorting through all these files. I gave them a lot more pictures than necessary, but you know, I was kind of doing that for me. So practice. And it was so good. It was very fun. I loved it. It was just great. Had people there that I was comfortable with and all that good stuff, and it made more sense to be there. But I'm rambling just a little bit. That's kind of the whole point of this little last part, just to show off more pictures, because whatever. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I made new presets, and I was just getting better at editing photos and getting worse at talking and speaking. But again, I just wanted to shoot portraits. There's nothing else to add on to this. That was kind of it. Like, yeah, that's really it. It's like, what else did I say? But I also did with a video I did earlier this year, I talked about how to make your photos look vintage, and unfortunately, I think I deleted the PTSD. I think I deleted the Photoshop document where I actually made the entire video. It may be back up somewhere. I need to find it. But anyway, it's on screen now. I made this picture of Brianna and her, I believe, cousins, because it looked like a royal photo in so many ways. I just wanted to make it look a little older too. So the backstory behind this was that it's an old photo from a royal family in the 1920s from Spain. I don't know. That's just what popped into my head when I made it, and I was really interested in making it like that. So I ended up doing that, because whatever. They're my photos. I took them. I got the raw files, so I can do whatever I want, is what I tell myself. But it was very fun, and there was a specific there's a couple of photos that I took of a daddy and a daughter dancing, and then I came up to them a little later and took portraits of them, and they were just dancing, and the baby girl was just she was so lively and happy and stuff. It was so beautiful. I loved it. So I just had to capture those moments in time, and that's one of the main reasons why I like photography in so many ways now, because of that. And it was just it's nice. The girl had such a big smile. I just wanted to catch it. It was she was smiling so hard. Look, she was about to fall out of her dad's arms and stuff. It was so funny. It reminds me of myself when I was a wee lad 2,000 years ago. But that was kind of it. And once again, that's this whole half of the video is just dedicated to showing off the pictures that I should have showed off earlier, but I didn't really have the room to. But yeah, with all of that being said, just so we can get to the good slideshow, I wanted to thank you all for watching, and thank you for watching the last photo video that I did, because that one was fun, and it took a lot longer to edit that one than it did this one. Maybe no, DaVinci Resolve crashed about 5 times on that video, not on the photo. But anyway, I thank you all for watching. Please comment in the comment section below. Tell me which picture you like the most, and tell me which portraits do you think actually look the best, because I want to see what the best portraits I actually did were. I did one of myself a while ago and I liked it, but I was like, you should have got a haircut first. I don't get haircuts enough for me to take good photos of myself anymore, but whatever, as we see. But thank you all for watching once again, because I've said that 17,000 times again. And until next time, feel free to subscribe, like, and share the video with all of your peoples, all that good stuff. So with that being said, I'll catch you all later, and until next time, check out the photo. Not sure if I should be looking this way or this way, but anyway, either this way, these ways. Check out the photography slideshow.